Hey, coating formulators! Are you finding it difficult to keep up with the ever-evolving world of 2K paint formulation? As we know, the environmental regulations are getting tougher, performance expectations are rising, and the pressure is on to deliver sustainable solutions. Imagine this, formulating with complete confidence. Your coatings not only meet but exceed industry standards. Imagine unlocking the full potential of 2K paints, creating high-performance, sustainable solutions that drive your business forward. Welcome to 2K Paints and New Standards Advanced Formulation Strategies and Compliance expert-led online training. This training is your gateway to mastering the complexities of 2K paint formulation. What will you gain? Well, firstly, you'll master the future of 2K formulations, crafting high-performance, low-VOC and waterborne 2K paints. You'll be ahead of the regulatory curve before it catches up with your products. Secondly, you'll decode the complex stuff others avoid. From isocyanate compliance to pot life versus cure profile optimization, we'll break down the tricky formulation challenges that even seasoned pros wrestle with. Thirdly, you'll learn to formulate with confidence and compliance. No more trial and error. Discover how to build systems that pass ISO ASTM tests and hit the sweet spot between performance, safety, and sustainability. And finally, be the standard breaker, not the follower. Stay ahead with insider insights on non-isocyanate technologies, bio-based polyols, and new hybrid chemistries. Become the go-to expert who's future-proofing every product. This training is a must for coating industry professionals, R&D chemists, formulators, chemical engineers, product developers, technicians, and lab managers. If you're in coatings, polymers, or related industries, this is your chance to sharpen your formulation edge. Topics covered include the evolution and fundamentals of 2K paints, advanced formulation tactics, regulatory and standards updates, sustainability trends, troubleshooting, and relatable case studies. So, ready to transform your formulation expertise? Join 2K Paints and New Standards and be at the forefront of next-gen coating technologies. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now and unlock the hidden secrets of 2K Paints.